Here's a great deal on a 2007 Ford Expedition. A 5.4-liter V8 engine pairs with a sophisticated 6-speed automatic transmission, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Four-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. Top features include front dual-zone air conditioning, leather upholstery, delay-off headlights, front and rear reading lights, front and rear cup holders, heated and ventilated seats, and power seats. Backseat passengers will appreciate the rear audio controls, allowing them to make easy adjustments to the stereo system. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Passenger security is always assured thanks to various safety features such as front and side impact airbags, brake assist, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.